We're here today to launch the system, the new in-house PAVA system, and Bose are proud to be supplying to SSE, our partners, our integrators, ShowMatch loudspeakers as part of this installation.
The system's been up and running now for 10 years, and around about 3 years ago we were asked by AEG to look at the life cycle analysis of what was installed. So we took a view to look around the industry to see exactly what technologies were available, what technologies were coming on, what was around the corner in respect of both networks, amplification and loudspeakers. Once we'd identified the technologies we wanted to work with and ones that we could install here and give us a future-proof sort of 10-year lifespan, we then got those manufacturers in to discuss arrangements with AEG. We'd already put forward designs on loudspeakers from different manufacturers, and after discussions with AEG, Bose came out as the preferred loudspeaker manufacturer. So we designed the system in the O2. Originally it was actually going to be room match, but because of the ShowMatch technology was such a better fit for the O2, we actually waited a few months until ShowMatch was out, and then we actually used that to install in the O2.
This is a combination of several years of work, as you'd expect for an installation of this size. During that time we've been designing models, proving that the system is effective in the space, and basically technically supporting SSE every inch of the way. The ShowMatch speakers are designed to give great sound in every seat. That's our tagline. And in such a big space, it's really important that we give every single visitor to this fantastic arena, fantastic bowl, the same audio quality no matter where they're sat. That's really what we deliver with ShowMatch, as well as outstanding mid-range vocal clarity, which is important in the VA element of the system.